so many years of clouds. You're facing disaster. And even if you did, there are lots of people here. They already are paid.
Sure.
We got some extras?
We have plenty of people here, yeah.
All right, all right. We're not going to do it that way. We're going to try to pop the balloons with the propellers.
That is less fun, but okay, I will watch this.
Pretend we have a formation of Grumman Hellcats over the South Pacific, diving down on the enemy shipping below. Peeling out of formation, Dave Brown and that new to the show this year, N2S1 Stearman, Navy painted Stearman, again named after Lloyd Stearman, who founded the company in Wichita, Kansas. That airplane designed in 1931. Lloyd Stearman, Clyde Seston, and Walter Beach founded the Travel Air Company in 1924. We'll talk about that red airplane in a bit. All right, here comes Dave lining up on the balloon. Got to pop it with the propeller. Diving down, and down he goes, down he goes, down he goes, and he got it. No, he didn't. Now watch the balloon going in circles, perhaps from the prop wash. Yes, graphically demonstrating what I was talking about. Here comes another attempt. Two balloons. Can you get two at once? Maybe none at once. There it goes. See the circles now. Imagine the water behind an outboard motor powerboat turning in circles. Well, that's what the air looks like up there. All right, Dave Collin gets one. He's going to give us some tremendous basic aerobatics in just a few minutes with that airplane. You will not believe how well he does with a standard steering. Frank Isbell, Virginia Aero Classics down in Petersburg, Virginia, maintains our airplanes. These are biplanes. Wing on top and bottom. Gonna have to come down a bit for that one. Almost. Now you'll see the balloon settle earthward. Prop wash, wake turbulence, settles down, goes down by gravity. See that? Now that's something, Keith Furman with a near miss. You have to remember if you're following underneath any large airplane, stay away from that wake turbulence. The Waco UPF-7.
Oh!
It's one of 14 that were used as a trainer in World War II. They tried to get the contracts, but failed. Let's create one or two. Missed them both. All right, now that Travel Air. From the Travel Air Company in 1924. Almost. See the balloon going down. That's a lesson. The wake turbulence settles earthward. From a 747 or anything else flying like that, that turbulence comes down. You have to remember that if you're flying underneath. All right, we're back to the top of the batting order. Baron, here we go. Almost. Here's the Baron is walking off the field, looks like. Here comes...
Hey, Mr. Announcer, I have a question about that outhouse I was saying.
Yes, the outhouse is fully functional.
It is functional. We can use it.
Yes, the plumbing works and everything.
Fantastic. We will be right back.
No, don't go out there, Barry. We have a lot more activity, so don't go use the outhouse out there.
But you said they are not using real machines, so we should
use the restroom. There we go, Dave. On 2 for 2. All right, the Baron, use the restroom over to the right. It says restroom. Don't go out there. Frank Isbell nails one. Frank Isbell knows more about these airplanes than anybody out here. It's below the tree line. Almost. Nice pull-up. These rides are for sale in these open cockpit biplanes for $100 a piece. Almost. And the aerobatic ride is $180. And the riding side by side on the number 8 is $180 as well. Number 8, Waco, Weaver Aircraft Company. There we got one. All right. John Wyrick. And he gets one. All right, here comes Chuck Tippett in that 1927 Travel Air. There's your oldest airplane on the field. The Travel Air Company, Wichita, Kansas. Almost. Let's watch the balloon and see if it goes in circles. See it going in circles? Next time you're at the beach watching an outboard motorboat, you see the water going in circles behind the outboard motorboat. Well, that's just what it looks like in the air. Now what we're going to do, Baron, get out of the outhouse. We got a bombing run scheduled. Oh boy. Sam, sound the klaxon horn up there.
Here comes.
I sold the klaxon.
You sold the klaxon? All right, well, do something. I don't know what to do. All right, here comes the first bomb. The Baron is seated in the outhouse. Oh, no, he's out there in the middle of the runway. What are you doing? The Baron thinks somebody dropped something out there. A bunch of guys running all around the runway. All right, here comes a bracket bomb. Now, believe it or not, this is the way the Russian night witches dropped small bombs on the German troops in 1943 as the Germans were invading Russia. Trying to get some sleep. Those girls that dropped the bomb, Operation Barbarossa was the name of that. Germans trying to get some sleep, and the girls flew at night, no lights. No landing lights, no navigational aids, no GPS in World War II, no cell phones. All right, another bomb. That's kind of a skip bomb. That was used on shipping. So it actually skipped along the water. There comes Keith Furman. I have no idea what those guys are doing here. They're holding a meeting. Tried to get him off the field. The Waco UPF-7, YPT-14. Why each trying to get contracts.
Ho ho!
3-pound Pillsbury bombs available at Food Lions, flattering on the runway. All right, Baron, get off the field. Enough of this nonsense. We're trying to do an air show here. Here comes the Travel Air. Receipt 2 in the front, ride 2 in the front, $180 after the show. Starting at 4:20. Another skip bomb. All right, guys, get off the field.